Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So before we get started on this review and demo of the best ever MILANI Silky Matte Bronzer, I love this stuff. Please hit the subscribe button, and please also don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos. First come, first serve every week. So let's jump right into it. Hey guys, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is giving you some facts about this MILANI Silky Matte Bronzer. This is the best bronzer I've used hands down in a long time. So it has a tropical scent. It smells like coconut, but it's not overpowering at all. So it's just kind of subtle. It is blendable. It's very blendable because I've already used it. Shocker, I already opened it up because I wanted to try it out. It's very blendable. It kind of gives you, it's a matte bronzer, but it kind of gives you a glow. That's what it's called. It's called Sun Kiss. That's the shade, is Sun Kiss, and I'll take pictures. And it's not very, it doesn't really have a shimmer to it. It's just kind of it's just very subtle and very pretty. It's long lasting wearing, so I put it on in the morning and I can wear it all day long until I take my makeup off at the end of the day. So it lasts a long time. So there is argan oil in it, coconut oil, and Milana oil. I don't really know how to say it. So, but yeah, this is the best bronzer I've used, and I don't know if I said this or not, but I'll say it again. I picked it up at Walmart not too long ago it was $8.97. That's what it says on Walmart.com, is $8.97. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. I'm just doing this video to show you guys how well this MILANI Drugstore bronzer is. So yeah, it's blendable, streak free, weightless, which is, it's not cakey or heavy to your skin. It works on light to fair skin, the Sun Kiss one, but also, and it kind of gives you a glow, but I've gone a little bit darker in my foundation, and it also works on tanner skin. So, but yeah, the first time I used this, I was so shocked how well it just made my face pop. Oh, it was just amazing. I'm so in love, and I'm so excited to show you guys that part of the video. So it also runs at Ulta Beauty for around $10. So you could probably buy it offline at Walmart or Ulta Beauty. And yeah, if you've used this or you're just seeing this video for the first time, and please comment down below and tell me what you think. If you just bought it and you're seeing this, or you have used this before, I will probably buy it from now on. Like, and it's very, that's also what I was gonna say. It's like, yes, it's a little bit pricey. It's around up to $10, at most places. But it's like comparable to like the high-end makeup. That's what I have heard. And normally I don't like buy high-end makeup unless like it's at Marshall's or I find it on clearance or something. I don't like, I wait. Yes, I do buy Synergens and I love that, but you get a lot for your money with them, and I'm not sponsored by them, but this is very comparable to high-end makeup. So I can't even tell you, it is so amazing. So let's jump right into the application of this Sun-Kissed Milani bronzer. It's not a baked bronzer, I don't think, because it didn't say that. So it just says silky matte. So let's jump right into the application. So one more thing to add before I do the application part of the video is when I found this at Walmart, there was 3 colors, so I'm pretty sure that they would have your shade if this isn't your shade. So I'm pretty sure that they would. And I'm pretty sure if Walmart didn't, or wherever they sell Milani, their website would. So let's jump right into the application part. Okay, so I redid my makeup because I filmed part of it yesterday, last night, and now it's early morning. So all I have is eyeshadow on, Shadow Sense, a little bit of Color Pop with my Synergens foundation and concealer and a little bit of Airspin powder. That's all I have. So I'm going to take my powdered Saucony Cash powdered radiant brush and show you how well this works. So I did my foundation pale, or a little bit lighter, so you could see the difference. It smells like coconut. I just love smelling it. So I'm going to take my brush like this, swirl it around, and go. And I don't know if you can see that, but it is like a sun-kissed glow. And it is matte, so I'm going to do the other side. Just like that. Then I'm going to take the excess and go down here and put some up on my forehead and all around. The brush even smells like coconut from this. Okay, so, I'm sorry about that. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to come back with my thoughts on it and the end result. I'm going to finish up my highlight and my blush. So forgot to do my nose, so I'm just going to take what's left and go in the corner, down like that. Get 2-in-1, how to contour and the demo part of this Milani Milani Sun-Kissed silky matte, and it is soft. So now on to my thoughts and end result. Okay, so I'm back with my thoughts or the end result. I put a little bit of darker blush on the bronzer, MILANI Silk Matte Bronzer, but I am in love with this product. Like, I would recommend it to anyone and everyone. It is my go-to bronzer, and maybe in the fall towards winter I'll go a little bit darker, but yeah, I am in love with it. It's like one of my favorite products besides Synergens and Shadow Sense. I would totally recommend it, and I would give it from 1 to 10 or 1 to 20, a 10 or 20. Like, that's how good it is. So please like this video or give it a thumbs up. Please, if you have any questions or comments, or you've used this before, please put them down below. I love to read your comments. And please also don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave, and ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos every single week. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.